Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here, do a quick review of these Kleenex Multifold Paper Towels. As you can see, this is not basically a household packaging. These are those little multifolds you would find maybe in a commercial bathroom, but they actually work well for home use if that's something that you want to do and you really don't want to buy rolls and rolls and rolls of paper towels. These sometimes are a little bit more economical. Let's unbox it and I'll kind of go through them with you and give you some of my thoughts. All right, so first things first, when we do get them open, they do come in these nice little bricks here. These little wrap, like almost like money bands, but the little bricks, which is nice. If you are refilling something commercially, it's basically a cartridge that drops in the top, and you gotta just undo the band. But if you're basically at home, these will also stand up on their own. So as you can see, now that we got the band off, they're multi-folded and they're again, they do stand up on their own. You can get a holder in your bathroom. Basically, this way people can just grab something and dry their hands. And in terms of the paper used here, it is rather thick paper. It is tri-folded, as you can see here. And I'll see if I can get a close-up here. There is some texture to it, so you will get a little bit of abrasiveness when you're drying your hands. You'll get off, whatever you're trying to get off your hands. And the thickness on them is definitely good. I mean, it's a rugged paper towel. You're not going to need more than one. It's not like those gray ones, or not the gray ones, the brown ones that basically have to use like 3 or 4 miles and they feel like sandpaper. Everyone knows what I'm talking about. These ones here are definitely good. People aren't going to use 30 of these to dry their hands. So this is something that's going to be economical, maybe cut down on the cost of your paper products. Overall, I think it's a really, really well-made product. And I do recommend them for anybody who wants to go the paper towel route that is individual without going the full roll route. So overall, well-made product, and I do recommend it. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.